You wanna be in my video?
I can't hiccup like you.
Go.
Gosh. I've never heard of that kind of acting.
It hurts.
I don't have any money.
You hold your breath, your hiccups will go away.
I'm gonna pass out.
I'm not gonna pass out. That is the cure to hiccups. I told you. Give you some water. Please.
You want water?
Okay, that didn't work. Where'd it come from?
Off the counter.
It's been sitting out?
Yeah.
Is that good to do?
How long's it been sitting?
Alright, I gotta hold my breath. You made me choke. I'll try this again.
You hiccup is why you choke.
You have some more. I just needed the water. Really? They're gone. See? Just had to wash them.
Where's your keys? Okay, be back in a minute.